Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is introduce you all to my pest control business plan template. Specifically, what we're going to do in this video is first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're then going to walk through the Word document portion of my Pest Control business plan template. So the business plan template comes with a Word document and a basic Excel financial model. And for this video, we're going to focus on the Word document. At the end of the video, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and if you're interested in purchasing my Pest Control business plan template, I'll give you a link to be able to do so. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy dandy PowerPoint presentation that I have designed for your listening and viewing pleasure. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, and also the owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a business writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to do it for you. I'm also a published author. I've got several books published on Amazon.com. Check me out there. Most of them are focused on business plan writing. And then finally, I'm an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So with that said, if you do need some help with your financial projections, your business plan is good, but those projections are just, being real pesty for you, then please pick up the phone and give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to do your pest control pro forma financial projections as well. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and introduce the star of the show. So the start of the show is my pest control business plan template, specifically the Word document. And as I alluded to earlier, it also comes with an Excel basic financial model, say hello model. And that model is covered in a separate tutorial. So when you do purchase the template and you download it, you're going to see this Word document right here. This first page right here is the cover page. A great idea for this is to put your company logo and underneath of it, business plan. Next section is your table of contents. Once you've added a little bit more meat to the bone, you expand it, you build it out. You're going to have some more titles and your page count is going to change. So in order to update that, just click on table of contents. Update the table, update the entire table, click OK, and boom, it updates for you. The next section is going to be executive summary section. Anywhere in yellow, that's where I recommend you go ahead and change that information and customize it and put your information in there. The executive summary section covers the pest control, the business summary, target market, financial highlights, and funding request. Now, in order to complete the financial highlights section, you do need to complete your financial model. So it probably takes about 15, 20, 30 minutes to finish this model. Once you're done, you're going to go to the projections tab. And these first three numbers right here are the numbers you're going to want to use. And you'll be able to see that 580,000 aligns with the top number. The second number, 448,000, aligns with the second number. And then 99,000 aligns with the third number. So once you finish your financial model, grab those three numbers, plug them in, and you're hunky-dory. The next section is company description section. In this section, it comes with, again, the business summary. I've got you started with the services offered. Then we've got a discussion here about your competitive advantages, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location, and then for the final aspect of the company summary, I do include just a brief strategic plan. Your business plan describes your business. Your strategic plan tells the reader or tells the interested party where you want to be in the next 3 months, 6 months, and year. And so I include a basic strategic plan in here for you as well. Next section is industry analysis. I've already updated the industry research for you. I've taken information, I've summarized information from IBIS World as well as other sources. And then we got the SWOT analysis. When we're working with the SWOT analysis right here, it is Smart Art, so you do need Microsoft Word. In order to make the changes, you'll click on the Smart Art, and you got a little tiny arrow right here, and you're going to want to click on that little tiny arrow, and then right here you can go ahead and make the changes to the Smart Art and update that information. Next section is going to be your organizational structure. Put your ownership information here. Same thing with this organizational chart, Smart Art. You're going to click on it and use that arrow to make the changes. Next section is going to be your marketing section. Typically, a pest control company, you're going to have three main marketing channels, which is going to be your traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. So I've got you a good start with all three of those. Next section is your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? So you put the dollar amount here, your term that you expect here, and then the interest rate here. The next section is your financial projections. These projections right here are just, if I was to start a pest control company, these are the numbers that I would use. They're going to change. That's why I include the financial model. But for this particular template, it does come with 12-month financial projections broken into quarters. 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then I also include a 5-year income statement broken up annually. Now, in order to update these charts right here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to your financial model after it's complete. Click on, if you're going to update your profit and loss statement, click on the profit and loss tab. This could be the income statement, click on the income statement tab. Once there, you're going to highlight the chart, hit Control C. You're going to go back to your Word document. You're going to highlight the chart here, backspace it, get rid of it, and hit Control V. And now you've got your income statement already updated, and just do the same thing for the profit and loss statement. And from there, you're off to the races. You're set, ready to go. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you do purchase my business plan template for a pest control business, it does come with a customizable Word document, which we just covered. Comes with a basic financial model, which I showed you. The tutorial for that is in a separate video. Now, there are some limitations to my template. It's not the end-all, be-all of everything template-wise. First and foremost, it is not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products such as the Apple Pages. So you do need Microsoft Office, and you do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make changes. If you have any questions about the template before you buy, if you have any questions about the template, you want to talk to me about it, make sure I'm a real boy here, and that the template's a real thing. Be delighted to have a conversation with you about the pest control template. My contact information is here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have that conversation. However, after you purchase my pest control template, if you have questions, I would refer you down here to my tutorials. These tutorials are free. You can view them now. You can go to that link, take a look at those tutorials, make sure they're easy to use, make sure that, just go through them and, take a look. And if you like what you see, great. If you do want to buy the pest control business plan template, the link is right here. And if you don't want to mess with tutorials, and you don't want to mess with templates, and you don't want to mess with financial models, you just want the darn thing done. If that's the case, then be delighted to write a custom written pest control business plan for you. Visit my webpage right here, and that'll give you the different packages that I offer for custom business plan prices. Or just, again, pick up the phone, call me, send me a text, send me an email, and we can have a conversation about how I can custom write a plan for you. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day.